Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bro, can we just talk about this, chat? Chat, can we just talk about this? Bro, what? Chat, can we please talk about this? Bro, what? This is insane. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it a buck, chat. We did that. We did that, bro. I told you guys, bro. I told you guys this yesterday, bro. Who caught this, bro? Who caught this, bro? Because holy moly, that was insane, chat. Alex, appreciate the follow. Prince, be honest, keep it a buck. You really caught that? Kama Sutra. Bro, I wasn't able to catch it, chat. I didn't. I saw it happen, was too late. Bro, I'm telling you guys. That's crazy. Dejan, it's good now. It's on, it's on, it's on. I was fixing my voice mod so I can get my soundboard. My bad. My stream deck wasn't working for the transition. It should be good though. I'm gonna pull up my YouTube chat as well. Good morning, Rad. There we go. You're welcome. No problem. Thank you for the heart me. Made 6K off that call. Bro. And guys, look at where it went exactly, bro. It literally filled my daily fair value gap to the T. Look at that. Literally filled my daily fair value gap, the level that I called to the T. Holy moly. Look at that 4 hour. 1 hour. A wick straight down into it. And then literally flew from it. Oh my gosh, chat. That's crazy. How you doing, Trev? D Torres, how much account you copying today, Flip? What you mean? I might not even take a trade today, bro. Do you Good morning, Zaddy. W Taipan in the building, y'all. Yo, tell me this was not gorgeous, bro. I told you guys that if we did not get the move yesterday, that it was going to give the sells in London, in Asian session or London session, bro. Look at how price literally came up, gave one nice little retest back into that level that we called in PM session, and rolled tide all the way to the lows, bro, fulfilling that daily fair value gap that I told you guys was going to happen. That is madness, bro. I'm going to keep it a buck, bro. The question is, did you take the trade you called? Yes. I took the trade all the way to the fair value gap. I wasn't able to take it all the way to these lows. I had to get out around this area yesterday. I got it out right here. But due to being on Top Step, but this is what I tell you guys. This is the type of moves that I want to be Raz, I'm making a PDF. The reason why I haven't said anything is because I'm making a PDF. I'm putting in the Discord for everyone, not just you. All right. Um, this is what I'm saying, chat. You got to understand we're going to be able to really start swinging these trades, bro. Right now we're on Top Step. We got to just capitalize on the intraday moves, only on the intraday sessions, things of that nature, but like, bro, we're about to be swinging these whole moves like this where we're going from internal to external range liquidity, bro. Gold was beautiful, bro. I don't even want to touch it anymore, bro, because I mean, I do clearly see that we have equal highs up here on a 15-minute. 1 hour is still inefficient, but 4 hour doesn't point to anything other than that being the high of the day today. So honestly, I'm content with bro. That was such an A plus setup yesterday that's why one, I was so persistent, and two, that's why we went ahead and capitalized on that trade, was because I told you guys all my confluence aligned on this trade yesterday. We came into fractal swings, price lined up with time, no form of 15-minute fair value gap or high were taken or closed above. Everything was just perfect. Appreciate the follow, Miss Ramirez. What's your Discord? It's free. No. There is a free portion to my Discord, but my Discord's not free. The link's in the bio. What is True Day Open? True Day Open is 12 o'clock Eastern. Midnight Open Eastern. The midnight candle, take the opening of that, stretch it all the way across. That's the midnight open. True Day Open. The equal lows look sweet. The thing is if you see these equal lows on London session were already taken, and we made a swing point out of it, and then we took the highs immediately. Now we could be reacting off True Day Open to go and take Asian highs, creating a potential Wednesday low of the week. But who knows, bro? I know that this is ideal for at least buy side liquidity to get tested. You have your pivot off of the POI of a daily fair value. So now you went into some form of a daily discount. You took out 1, 2, 3, all of these daily lows. You fulfilled some form of an imbalance. But I told you guys that we still have a weekly fair value gap down here, and we still have a daily equal low. So we could still go lower. And if you look at just the whole price swing from low to high, the 50% is right at that daily. So that's why yesterday I was pretty sure. Do you trade ES? Yes. Do you guys want me to look at ES? What about NQ? They were very sloppy yesterday, so I stayed away from them, and I'm so glad that I did, because it was just chop, chop, chop. Like, look at that. That literally is just so terrible, bro. You just had chop for the whole day. Price broke out for the start of Asian session, the London session. We fulfilled the whole new week opening gap, which if I'm not mistaken, I believe ES had it filled. But let's see if it filled based off of that. I don't think it did, but yeah. The new week opening gap for ES is still open. Not to say that like I'm just like only looking for that, but I mean, it's not a new week, it's a new day. It's a new daily opening gap. But we are inside of a daily fair value gap. We did create a daily swing. So if I'm looking at this correctly, we did create some form of a daily swing, taking some form of buy side liquidity. Even though we do have a hanging wick up here, I do believe that as of right now, I can't target. This is considered high resistance liquidity. Okay? This is considered high resistance liquidity. If anything, on an intraday perspective, you should only be targeting the internal range liquidity. Because of this being high resistance liquidity, I think we fulfill some form of equilibrium to this price swing right here, which is look, you see how the 50% also lines up with this gap in price. So now this gap gets even highlighted even more to me now, because now we're stacking layered thinking on top of each other. Okay, so now you have a new day opening gap at the equilibrium of the entire daily price swing, and if you drop down into a 4-hour time frame, you have a 4-hour low that was also a daily low. Okay, So after this daily low gets broken right here, which we created a pivot off of, but if this daily low were to get broken, where is price going? Immediately to that fair value gap here, if we stay above that new day opening gap. All right. So, if I'm not mistaken, this was a daily fair value gap, but this doesn't really mean too much. I mean, it does mean a little bit because we did take the high. So this is the first imbalance prior to the high getting taken. I wouldn't look at it, to be honest. I wouldn't use it, only due to the fact that I just don't like anything here. You know what I mean? You really only have like this is the last place that buyers were enticed, when sellers were enticed here that took buyers, right? So you had this form right here where sellers were trapped in the market before what? Price ran up, took the highs, right? Now you're going to have the same thing. They're going to fill some form of inefficiency, and then we could either drop after we take that daily discount, that daily premium, which you have equal high up here. So you have a form of buy side liquidity right here with a daily fair value gap where you already created the swing. We had the closure below the low of a daily time frame. So that's probably why yesterday it literally came up and refused to get above that, because on a daily time frame, once you close below that, now what becomes so sensitive is close to open. Now that becomes your point of interest, and look at how on a 4-hour time frame we could not even get any form of bullish closure above that. Okay, so hence why we leaked all the way back down to what? some form of 4-hour, 1-hour order block PD array. All right, so I think this is potential of kind of just accumulation, manipulation, and distribution back down. That's just me though. Nothing is too clear right now, as you still have open liquidity from, we did just take high of the day. Okay, so you got high of the day that just came in right here. High of the day, we'll put that in the center, and then we'll see. We do have a order block here. If I'm not mistaken, this is the daily. Yeah. Previous day high. Yeah, so we could either hold this and then, or we could go to the previous day high, whichever one it wants to do. Because we have taken all forms of liquidity right here, we could either pull back down because we got 15 minutes. We could either pull back down, back to the true day open, which would give some form of a retest, balancing any form of this price range that we just went up. Yep. And then we could either continue to go higher, or it'll swing back down to the downside. All right. My screen shows it already took out the new week opening gap. But the thing is I think you're referring to NQ. I think you're referring to NQ instead of ES. I think if you have looked at ES is new week opening gaps down here. So yeah, the new week opening gap is that. Look at that. You see that? The new week opening gap is that daily. So just want to highlight that, chat. You mark your true day open out at what time? Midnight open Eastern. Midnight Eastern open candle. Yo, Flip. MES. He said, yo, what the... Listen, MES. It's S&P, bro. It's the same thing, MNQH. There's no way you just asked me that, bro. It's just this. It's a specific quarter inside of the contract. So it's, look, the March contract. The reason why I trade a specific month contract is because paper trading today. I feel like I should too, bro. I feel like I should too, bro. In fact, let me take a trade right now. I'm just kidding. I do like how we just created a swing off this, chat. On MNQ, we just did the same thing on ES. We came into some form of a order block. Bam, created a swing. Same thing on MNQ. MES. NQ took the high. ES failed to take the high. Smart money divergence right here. You could roll right back down to true day open as internal range. He said gold is gonna dump. Let me see. I think these fall back down, guys. If I'm keeping it a buck. I think they're not done yet. I think this is all enticement. If you're looking at this pre-market, everyone from London is in this, and me personally, I'm not convinced by this yet. I'll just say that I'm not convinced by this yet. Gold, I would be more interested with gold if we get higher. I think my level for gold was based off the 1 minute. If we can get all the way back up here. Yeah, it was this. This is what I seen yesterday. If we can get this, I will potentially look to sell. Because that would take out the high of the day. That would be the highest premium. But you got to understand also, chat. Look at the 50% from this price leg, right? From high to low, the 50% is still hasn't been reached, which means we haven't balanced out this either. So the immediate draw was the fact that we needed that daily fair value gap fill. Now that we got that sell side that filled daily fair value, now all of this has been taken. We've been killing gold, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we've been doing really good on gold. What is the purpose of True Day Open? What is it used for? See, those are questions that are already on YouTube for free. It's not like I could just... That's something that I teach, bro. Keep it a buck. That's something that I teach. I can't just say it to you. I have to break everything down. Yeah. But maybe that's something that I'll put inside of the Discord for you guys. Yeah, ICT talks about it, bro. ICT talks about it. It's all in his YouTube channel. I remember you said to watch 2022 ICT, but there's so many videos. Yeah, that's just one of his playlists, bro. That's just one of his playlists. That's just one of his playlists, bro. Imagine going through all of his content. I was a different breed, bro. Let's see. From yesterday's high to yesterday's low. We are in and around that OTE level. We have hit OTE. There is a little bit more to take around that 79, but we still are right in and around OTE. Above the high of the day. We're in a premium for the day. Could be a nice short. Because realistically, if you took this short on NQ, you could hold that high as your stop loss. Because price is creating that swing. And then take at least price that back down to true day open, 76 points. Low of the day, 140. But I'm gonna wait. The reason why yesterday was so clean on gold was because when I clicked over to that, gold had already created all of that structure already. Look. Gold had already created gold had already created that structure. Look, when pre-market had came up, price had already rolled this low on a 5-minute and rolled this low. Look at that on a 15-minute. Clearly shows the directional bias. So then when price came back to deliver, failure to get back above previous high, goes even lower. So what I'm saying is we need a little bit more of structure, but this could potentially be premium right here. Look at this. I just don't like the fact that there's no 5-minute low right here. This is all just inducement. So now if you do want to have any form of structure, you would either have to take a risk and potentially just take the risk because the risk to reward is there, 26 points, or you would have to wait for this to come close below this and then use this as an anchor to take your shorts to here when price has already revealed itself. Because once price balances itself out in and around this area right here, it's going to start to show you what it's going to want to do for the rest of the day, whether it's going to sit sideways, whether it's going to want to come back up, take out previous day highs, or continue going lower to that daily discount. We had such a good day yesterday. I'm not forcing nothing on trades today, chat. I just checked YouTube, got ICT 2022 with no rants. Imagine going through all his content just to find out that ICT is a placebo effect. I don't even know what that means. I'm gonna keep it above. What is the placebo effect? Placebo. How long have you been trading? Bro, I've been trading since I was 18 years old, but I took these last 2 years off. I just started back up in August. So I would say about 7 years. It's thinking. Oh, it's thinking something is true and it's happening because you believe it's true. Um, mm, it's like the sugar bill. Yo, Taipan is diabolical, bro. Taipan is diabolical, bro. He said, "Bro, you were real, and I appreciate all the valuable information you share on a daily." Yeah, no problem. Look at this, bro. Look at that chat. Look at that chat. Look at that chat. Look at that chat. I told you just from market pre-market open, bro. 9:30's about to open and send this thing back down to the floor, bro. We have a failure to close above the high of the day. Look at how it's creating a pivot. Where's that homegirl at? I know she was asking about ES. Look at ES2 giving a beautiful reaction outside of that level as well. I want to see 9:30 drop it back down. Oh, she said me. Okay, okay. You're still here. Bet. So yeah. What's your take on gold today? Hold up. Dang guys, y'all got I don't even want to look. I don't even want to trade gold, bro. I'm gonna be honest. We called gold to the T yesterday. We caught so much on gold. If you were able to hold off of this, we caught like 700 right there, just to the low, 700 points. But I was only able to capture like 400. Still good, really good. Um, Let me see chat real quick. Yes, I made 1,012 yesterday, so I was like, okay. Yo, look at MNQ. Roll Tide. Immediately in versus the first fair value gap. Drop into the 1 minute. Bang. 9:30. Let's see. Oh, that's a beautiful 15-minute closure too. Oh my. Oh my gosh. What did ES do? Gold staying above true day open. I only see your lives on YouTube. Say you swear. Yo, I appreciate all the double taps. Can we get the double taps going this morning? Come on, come on. I'm gonna go ahead and get some music going. Start of the start of the New York session. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. One shorts and a couple lives. Okay, okay. Yeah. I only got one short. I haven't been pushing my clips. I need to push my clips more. I'm about to start pushing my clips in January. I just been pushing this 30 for 30. Rejection off the inverse. Oh my gosh. Does it give the closure though? Yep. 19 seconds. Yo, Flip, good to see you, man. Hope you had a good Christmas. Very good Christmas. Treating the double taps like a people love calling ICT a guessing game. Yeah, over half of the profitable traders trade it. Yeah. Music LL. Okay, sorry. I got you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So my friend put me on this song. I'm gonna put you guys on it too. Tell me what you think. Let's go, chat. I told you guys, anticipate the pullback. Anticipate the pullback. You trading gold, bro? No. I'm not trading anything right now. Sometimes you just gotta sit on the sidelines. Yo, type hands rage baiting everyone in the chat, bro. No, chat. I told you guys what was gonna happen, but I'm not trading it, bro. I had such a good day yesterday. For my psychology's sake. I'm just gonna call out the trades for you guys. I told you. I told you yesterday could have potentially be the last trade I take for this year. We still have open London lows though. These London lows on NQ are open. And we just filled this 1 hour fair value gap as well. There was that order block fill. And look how we're rolling over in price. Yeah, chat. Bro, it literally just swallowed this whole price swing. I told you guys the risk to reward was there, bro. It was 26 points. It was like, yeah, 23, 26 points, anywhere and around that level. Just out of risk purposes. You could have just ran it to true day open for that 3-1, like I said. You'd have been up an easy, quick 40 points right there. Stop at break even. But this could also be, like I said, this could also just be a pullback. Nothing is super high probability for me right now. Look at that 4 hour. Yeah. It could go up, chat. So that was just a pullback. But I wanted to see some form of discount. Like, if you see the point of 3 right here. From low to open. The 50% of the daily wick so far is in and around here. Which we have a fair value gap right here. On a 1 hour. So either way, if I wanted to be bullish, I want to see this come back down to this area so that I can buy. You also see PM highs over here are open from yesterday. That's why I didn't take anything, bro. It's still low probability. Low probability. It's like a B plus right now. Let's look at ES real quick. Yeah, look at ES though. Look how ES reacted off that level. What did I say, chat? What did I say, chat? Come on. Come on. Come on, chat. Yo, shout out to Cobra for putting me on this song. Look at her. She's like, oh, snap. Yes, yes, yes. You know what I mean? Big bag. Big bag, chat. Get in your bag, chat. Get in your bag. All right, Atomic. He said, can you explain how to use fibs? I'm going to keep it a buck. Atomic. That's like one of the most basic things to learn. There's not really an explanation on fibs. I do have a PDF in my Discord, though, if you want to understand why I use the fib levels that I use. But Fibonacci's like it's like such an in-depth thing. Check NQ. Everyone's going crazy. Let's see, chat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's dumping. Forget that. Forget that true day open. But look, it's dumping. It's dumping, dude. Oh my gosh. Fibonacci a goat for real? Yeah, facts. Azaria, how we doing this morning? That's a lady boss in the building, chat. How we doing, Azaria? What trade you in? I'm not in any trade. I did call these NQ shorts and ES shorts back down to true day open, though. If you were here since the beginning. Oh, bro, it's not like I take a specific level, chat. Atomic, I don't take a specific fib level. I look at price around specific fib levels. And I can understand what it's doing. Oh my gosh, the closure through this, like look at the 15-minute, and we still have 6 minutes left, chat. We still have 6 minutes. Hey, what's up, man? I lost your channel and couldn't find it yet again yesterday. Here you are again. You already know, man. Back at it again. Young Dagger. Oh, okay, that's tough. Yeah. We had such a good day yesterday, bro. I don't think I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like I don't think price is gonna entice me into the market today. Even if it just performs something beautiful like this, like a quick 40 to 50 pip run. I mean 40 to 50 point run. Just off of that right there, like that's a great call out. The risk was there, only 26 points worth of risk just to take that real quick. But I want to be disciplined in chat, and I want to show you guys what it's like. You don't got to take a trade every single day. Up 800 off call. Shout out you, my G, for show. For show. Thanks for the advice on NQ. I just made 3K on my Express. No problem. see, chat. I'm literally here just to show love, just to like maybe if something performs like something astronomically beautiful, then like yeah, we might take one small micro on something but nah, I'm good. After yesterday's trade, bro, I'm good, chat. But you got to understand today is the last day of the month, so price is going to want to go for monthly closures. So I can understand why price is just going to want to go one way and just especially after you just used everybody. They just used everybody who was buying pre-market as exit liquidity to come back down and take out these lows right here. Or they're going to dig one more time and then take it back up to go higher. But from how price is lining up and then within the next 20 minutes, this 1 hour just completely flipped from being super bullish to a bearish engulfing. That 4 hour just went from being a 4 hour engulfing that whole entire fair value gap to a 4 hour rejecting off of the fair value gap and respecting all areas of liquidity. So we just got to see, because this could come right back up to close for that 4 hour. You understand that? This could come all the way back up and close this 4 hour wick and trap all these sellers in here too. Because we did create a swing. 1, 2, 3 drives to the low. Finally made the swing off of it and goes higher. So that's why I said I wanted to see how we react off the true day open to see if we give any form of a desire to go higher. But this looks pretty intentional to want to take out London lows. I'm going to keep it a stack. What a beautiful day already. What a beautiful day already, chat. Yes, the 4 hour candle is crazy right now. Yeah. So just understanding where you are within your 4 hour and 1 hour. I need some help, man. What's going on, fam? Antonio Martinez. Who is Antonio? Who's Antonio, chat? Sorry, fam. We on the markets. We on the charts. Sorry, fam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. True Day Open is just a no, 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 no. True Day Open is True Day Open. True Day Open is the midnight Eastern candle open. That's probably one of the funniest things I've ever seen, bro. True Day Open is just the close of the last open session. I know you were just asking a question, but it was just funny. I'm sorry. Like, don't think I'm making fun of you, bro. It's just funny. I've never seen it proposed that way. Do you live trade every day? Yes. Yes, I do. I'm on ES though because of the SMT with Asia High. Ooh, look at ES. Is that not precision or what, chat? You tell me. Is that precision? I think that's precision, chat. I think that's pretty precise, bro. Consequential encroachment of the entire order block held, no candlestick closure above, and then rolled tide all the way back down. Beautiful. Look at these London lows about to just get crushed. Yeah. Yeah, chat. That's crazy. Yeah, bro. Taipan just be rage bait in chat. We love Taipan. Any more trades? Yeah. There's still gonna be some because this is just the initial price move. We still haven't even got our silver bullet at 10 a.m. So just wait for that 10 a.m. candle too. We still got a whole nother 4-hour opening candle that'll probably give some sort of retest of this 4-hour wick if we do. I would want to see some form of like retest to the 50% of it if we can, or even somewhere around that, which would still put us back to the open. Yeah. I would want to see something like here, come back to here, and then drop. Something like that. It might not though, because everything here, there's no bearish candle here, so now there's not going to be any bullish candle here when they redeliver price back down. What's happening at 10 a.m.? It's called a new 4-hour candle. You think MNQ will turn bullish after it hits 10 a.m.? It could. It could. Market can do anything, but as of right now, I don't believe it can. But that's just me. We made a swing point off of the order block, off of the taking of the high of the day. New 15-minute might just drag us all the way through the lows. Yep. Just learn the best off trial and error. Facts. Are you in CST? No, I'm in EST. If price breaks a 4-hour, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my holy moly. Look at that 4-hour wick. That is insanity. Holy, it went down. I had to make a call real quick. You know what I mean? We had to make a little call, chat. Sometimes it just be like that. Where can I start? Bro, YouTube, ICT, Inner Circle Trader. Go to YouTube, watch all of his videos. Flip the market maker, bro. No, bro. I'm not a market maker, bro. The market has made me. I am market made. How about that? No one's ever said that, huh? Where's your TP London lows? That would be my first partial because that's the low of the day. He said, why have I heard ICT is a scam? That's a very good question. I can never answer that. I don't understand it. He said, write that down. You in right now? No, I told you guys I'm not going to be trading. But I did call these shorts. Flip, you trading now or are you still working? Both. That's a very good question. He's literally not profitable himself. I guess he's not. I guess he hasn't rinsed live accounts on stream. Because people want easy money like doing the orb facts. People don't want to sit in front of that screen and listen to him ramble for hours. Guess what I did? I sat there for hours and days and weeks and months and years just sitting there like a good little you. Michael! Michael! Michael, can I get more? Hey, Michael, how does this work? What do you mean a Fibonacci retracement? What do you mean an OTE? What do you mean? What does that mean, Michael? Michael, show me again. That's how I was, bro. I was literally starving. And we got to that until we got to the right information, bro. And then once I knew I found the keys, it was a wrap. It was a wrap, chat. And I'm not talking about the Rap Chat app. Chat, this could still turn around. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm waiting till 10 o'clock to engage if I do engage in anything, okay? Give me 140, bro. Bro, if you didn't catch shorts this morning, what are you doing? I caught the shorts, bro. I called them. I don't need to take every trade, bro. I see everything. No, I don't see everything, chat. Don't let me lie to you. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't see everything. I just see a lot of things. Is this? Oh my gosh, he's spamming. All right, go ahead. One more time. Can you spam one more time? Because I just want to see you see the question one more time. One more time, Apple guy. One more. Ask the question one more time, please, please. Yes. No, this is not options, bro. No. It's not options, bro. This is not options, bro. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What to do now? Taipan. What other stock you can see right now, bro? Chat. Oh, would you look at ES about to just smother these lows? Hey, hey. Let me stop. Hibachi, what's up, Hibachi? Why not options? Okay, okay. Now you gotta get muted, bro. Now you gotta get muted, bro. I'm sorry. You're just spamming. She said I caught all that. Big sniper. Big shooter. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. He said mucho grande sniper. What? 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 Look at the 5 minute. That was a sweep. Sheesh. Thank you, bro. I got that. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations. Shout out to everyone who caught those shorts, baby. That's fire. Let's look at the 1 minute. Are we still have no 5 minute IO fed. Yeah, I want to see if we can take that 5 minute high. We should be able to for the I you guys asked me. Oh, my arm's about to pop. Ooh. There we go. Oh my gosh, Taipan. See, chat, I told you guys be careful because we could come back up for a price for that 10 a.m. So just beware. Be aware. Take partials if you haven't taken partials. Ho! 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 Come on, chat. Potential long? It could. It could. It could. We are making a swing point off of this. That's why I said take your partials. We did create a swing off of ES as well. Even though we didn't take the lows, like I said, you guys might just need to be aware that the 4 hour might pull back for a 4 hour open and a new 1 hour open. Bitte, bitte, we go shine up, man, like Conjolo. No, I know I could see it. I could see it going down for the rest of the day as well. But I want to see if we can get it like some form of a small pullback to balance out this drop. Whatever you do. Well, we didn't even take that 5-minute high. Come on. Come on. Look at that 1 hour. Oh my gosh. We closed through the 1 hour gap. We use that as an inverse. We could use that as an inverse to go lower too. Look at how that 1 hour gap is now holding up. Even on a 1 minute time frame, it's not wanting to stay below it. Look on gold. Let's see. Gold hasn't even moved, bro. Oh, nah. Hey, 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 hey. All right, hold up, chat. Peak music, facts. Hold up. Hold up. That song that I played yesterday, it was Need You. Need you, need you, need you. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Song. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna get this song for you. All right, right here. Yes, Chad, this fire. This song's fire. Look at MGC pulling up. I told you guys, buy side liquidity on GC. That's why I didn't even want to look at GC because I know she could go higher. Look at how this is holding. Closure above. IO fed. 10 a.m. is going to give us everything, bro. 10 a.m. is going to give us everything. How long are you trading on TikTok till you go back on trading to Discord? I'm only trading on TikTok until we max profit top step. And then I'm only coming to TikTok for PM sessions. As in like 1 to 4 type deal. I will only trade NQ in our Discord in the mornings. I need you. Yo, what's good, Skills? What's an IOFED? An IOFED is an institutional order flow entry drill. Look, like I knew it. I knew it, bro. 5-minute. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie. I'm taking 1 con on that. Hold up 1 second, Chad. $25,460. 25,460, chat, is my overall TP. We had a 5-minute IO Fed right here. Came back up, took the 5-minute high, completely rolled over on the 1 minute. So we take the close of the candle. We take to the high. If it comes and takes us out, I'm good. All right. This is a literally one shot, one kill. 25, 3, 6, 36. I'm literally only using one con too. All right. Let me show you. We'll take one partial here and we hold the rest. All right. We take one partial at the low and then we hold the rest down to this low here. Because this would be the next daily low that we would target. Like I said, chat, it's literally one shot, one kill. If we don't get it, I'm not going to chase. All right. This will be my only trade for the day. I'll take it 9 times out of 10. This is what I wait for. So if it comes and takes us out, it takes us out. We got one partial on London low. And then the other partial is going to be for the 25,460. The risk to reward is there. It's a 5 to 1 too, regardless. And we take partials and move stops to break even at a 2 to 1. And we're the reason is also we also have True Day Open here, so I want to use True Day Open as a signature to use a confluence to keep going lower. Is this an A plus setup? This is like an A setup. I would say just an A setup. Now an A plus is yesterday, but this is a solid A setup. That's why I'm in it. I just told you today I wasn't trading, and then I told you unless something miraculously aligns. And I just outlined the fact that we were going to come and give a 5-minute IO Fed. And we did. So if it isn't, then we go lower. And I just take my partials and I be content with whatever it gives. I'm not trying to drag the market like yesterday. Yesterday I had a huge A plus setup. So here we go, chat. We had trip, but I know we went far. Celebrate wins and learn lessons among us. At what cost, at what cost, at what cost. Trying to do better. When now I'm gonna say 10 a.m. too? Perfect. 4-hour closure, beautiful. Opened up, gave a wick already. We could go lower. We could go lower. High resistance liquidity. We should go straight through. 1 hour inefficient lows as well. 30-minute inefficient lows. 15-minute inefficient lows. Oh yeah, we could snack these lows. I would love to see these lows get taken. We will take partials and we will move stops to break even, and then we will let it ride, chat. I treat it by revelation. I'm seeing a revelation. I want to stay below true day open. I'm only risking $100 today, chat. $125. I'm good. Celebrate wins and learn lessons in our lives. At what cost? At what cost? At what cost? $200. I scaled in one more. Even if it takes me out, I'm not worried. At what cost? At what cost? At what cost? Man, it nice in your live right now? What you mean? That coffee's kicking, boy. $9.50 to $10.10. We should get our macro. Give it about 5 more minutes. Give it about 5 to 10 more minutes, chat. We should get a macro to take this low, I think. Decent closure. We could have had a better closure though. Your love. Let me turn the music down a little bit. Sorry, chat. Sometimes I don't even be noticing how long my... You on sales? Yes. Even if it takes me out, I'm fine, chat. I'm not worried. We had a $800 day yesterday. I'm not worried about anything. I'll risk $200, bro. I'll risk $200. This is what we waited for, bro. Passed my first funded today. Let's work. Let's work. I know, but we're going to want to stay below true day open until we raid London lows. If we're bearish. If we're bearish, we're going to want to stay below London lows. I mean, true day open. Because we already delivered. We already delivered, and then we already re-delivered back to price, making this sufficient price balanced again. That's what I wanted to see. Everything's playing as far as the narrative. At least for us to take London lows. Once we take London lows, price could pull back. But if we just get to the London lows, we could be good. 4 hours crazy, I know. 4 hour could want to go up and take the wick. That's why I'm only holding this as my stop loss, because I'm not trying to chase. It could go back up and give a test to the whole wick. It did take one London low. No, London low is here. London low is at the low of the day. Yes, I will. Yes. I got you. That's in my playlist, actually. Hold up, let me find it. In your to your love. Just be patient, chat. Be patient. What is 1 hour looking like? Okay, 1 hour still decent. We still have this right here. Yep. Come on. Now I'm taking 2 off here. I'm just gonna keep scaling, bro. Because once we take this low, I can move my stop to break even. And the way that we're lining up in this macro is looking gorgeous. Hold up. She asked for Yeshua. Here we go, chat. I love this song. I love this song. Shorts? Yes, I'm in shorts. We still have inefficient lows right here as well. All right, chat, get ready. This is becoming an A+ setup, I think. The way that price is aligning. Regardless if I take an L here, this to me is still low key an A+ setup. I love coffee. I be needing to drink water, chat. Thank you for the gifts. Appreciate the heart, me, chat. Keep double tapping the screen. Can we get to 10K, chat? Can we get to 10K likes, please? Come on, chat. Let's keep it pushing. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live, chat. All right, chat. Since I am in 4 cons, I'm moving my stop down to here. Okay, because we did make a swing point off of the 1 hour fair value gap. So now I want to see price just chase the lows. Someone just called you fruity. Y'all be funny, bruh. Ooh, If we don't bounce, low's getting smashed. Even if we do bounce, lows are still getting smashed. Look, low came in at 25. Look how engineered this price is. 25, 582, 25, right? The low came in at 25, 581, 75. So it's literally 5 ticks above where price is at. And it's engineered equal lows again. It's just engineered equal lows, bro. That's all that it is. No wick to the opening of this candle. I'm gonna hold 160, 160. It's fine. 160 is fine. That's the top of the order block. If I get taken out, I get taken out, chat. But I think we're good. I think we're good. I think it's just a small pullback, engineered price, trying to induce more buyers on the small time frames. 2 minutes left until this 15-minute candle closes. Look, and engineered equal lows, bro. Engineered equal lows, bro. 15-minute will close those lows. The most beautiful amongst thousands. Damn, bro. This thing's flipping hard. I'm still convinced. Still not convinced. The most beautiful thousand. Need your playlist, bro, in a spiritual war, right? Everything going perfect in the last few days. I know. You got in at the end of the move? No. I got in exactly where I needed to be in. Let's see. Bro, you got to take a break? Chat, I'm literally running with $100 risk. This is my one shot, one kill entry today. I'm not taking any more trades after this. That's why I gave myself a one shot, one kill. If I take a loss, I take a loss, chat. This is my one shot, one kill. He said, bro, lock in. I'm good, bro. 15-minute equal lows. I told you guys price is going to go right back down to the lows. And if it doesn't, chat, guess what? I take a $168 L and we keep it moving for the rest of the week. So regardless of what happens, we good. We still up on the week. No, this is my one trade because I'm not I said I wasn't even going to take a trade today. He said, watch. Okay. I don't like when people start agreeing with me about my trades. I like when you guys disagree. That was never business power. It's a song and everything's power. Oh, say his name. He's the night of my. Ooh. You want me to disagree because I can? Yes. Disagree with me because that's how I know the retail is here. Where do you see equal lows? Right here. Equal lows. Watch. Here we go. 5-minute equal low. Ready? Here we go. We eating? Facts. The retail sign is up? Yes. What do equal lows tell us? Tells us liquidity's there. Liquidity equals fuel. Yes. Yo, where's my ES and NQ traders at? Where's my ES and NQ traders at? Let's look at ES. Oh my gosh, who's still in this ES short? Who's still in this ES short? Talk to me. Oh my gosh, look at that ES. It's about to take London lows. Look at that. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, chat. Take these equal lows and we out. Who's in the NQ and ESLs? Talk to me. I'm up 700. Bang. Tina, appreciate the roses. Let's go. How much did you risk? $168. $168 off 4 micros. We're about to get these equal lows slammed through. Hold up, chat. Hold up. Once we take these equal lows, we move stop to break even, okay? That should have been the last 15-minute retest to our entry. Until we take London lows. Come on. They're going to want to drag the buyers now. All their stops are below here and here. Retail stop loss. Retail stop loss. Stop loss. Come on. Let me get him. Bang. We move stop to break even now. Now we risk free, chat. We're about to get our first partial. We just cracked through the first set of equal lows. Now we target London lows. Come on, chat. Come on. New Year's Eve, baby! New Year's Eve! Bringing in the new year like, what's up, baby? New me? I don't think so. Talk to me nice, chat. Let go. Come on, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left in this 5 minute. We're going to close. We're going to close. You got in at the end of the move. You got in at the end of the move. Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you talking about? Tina. I love your energy. I love your energy. I need 500 to pass eval, bro. We are break even in the trade, chat. You should not be risking anything anymore. Just let the trade play. We are break even now. Regardless of what happens, we won the trade, bro. Because guess what? We don't risk anything. 1,500 on 5 accounts. Flip 2026 finna be crazy. Let him know, Steezy. Let him know, Steez. That's an F1T member. Let him know, Steez. Talk to him nice, Steez. Yes, sir. Closure below the equal lows. Continuation. For the 30-minute closure. Appreciate the shared lives. Double tap the screen. Let's get to 10K likes. 1,500 on 5 accounts. That's 7.5, fam. Just hold at break even. Regardless if it takes us out, chat. Hold it. Did ES take the low? Yes, it did. It should be good, bro. It should be good. Just to make sure we're up on the day. I took one off. I took another one off with our partial. And then I'll hold 2. How about that? No way, no reason to be greedy. No matter what, we won the day, bro. Miss Perez, how you doing today, Miss Perez? Sitting in profits, huh? I bet you she's floating in profits, just sitting there with her feet propped up. Like, yes, another beautiful day in the market. Yes, New Year's Eve. We love to see it. Get bread. I bet you he's up, you know, just probably smack. He's got one monitor over here. This is, I already know Get Bread, right? Get Bread, he's got one monitor over here where he's smashing trades, right? And then on the other monitor, he's over here doing 360 full cones, sniping people, playing Fortnite. Red Lies, he's over there doing trick shots with snipers on Call of Duty with one monitor watching the charts with his iPad with me on stream. And I'm like, W mans, bro, let's go. Bang. That's why we took a partial, chat. And we have it at break even. No matter what, chat, we win this trade. All right. I did realize that ES did take London low, and NQ is not necessary. It's not failing to take it because I don't think it's failed yet. But I do see that there is a little bit of smart money divergence here, so we could have a small pullback higher. So no reason to, like, you know, marry the trade. We're in break even. Where all the conditions for us to be in are straight. It should continue to give us the closure at least until the 30-minute, 1 hour closure. 4 hours intact. Everything's good. Just let the trade play out, bro. If it takes us out, it takes us out. That's the whole point of taking your partials, chat. Once we took that equal low, I took a little partial, took one con off. I was in 4. I got another partial right here, and then we'll hold 2 to our 25 460 level that we had. All right. Come on. It's trying to pull back. There we go. There we go, NQ. Come on. Right back down. There we go. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful 5-minute. Yes. Perfect wick. All we got to do is hold the closure. We hold that 1-minute closure and it's gone. Beautiful. He said we're going to form a 5-minute SMT. I don't think so. I think we take this low again and hit our partial. This thing is bearish, bro. Everything is pointing towards bearish order flow. I'm taking 1 micro out at London low. 25,550. 25,550. I take another partial. After that, we hold 2 micros to 25,460. Or we drag stop profits and continue to squeeze the trade for more profits. The gift that keeps on giving, baby. I refuse to believe that these lows will never get taken out every time market is open. What? God is good. Flip just passed my alpha eval. That's what I'm talking about, Drew. Woohoo! Easy peasy day, pack it up. Carlos with his typical slogan. Thank you, Taipan. Come on, bro. Don't take us out. I think the SMT might give us a retracement back up higher, Chad. We need a 15-minute closure, so honestly, this last 5-minute candle is going to give us everything. 30-minute. Yeah, the 30-minute, because the 30-minute's either going to want to close doji or it's going to want to close down here. I'm just going to stay on the 30-minute because the 30-minute is going to give us the rest of this trade. Watch it fight. Watch it battle its way. Of the God of your presence. All right, chat. Break even. Look at that. I'll take my $40, bro. I'm not chasing. I told you that was my one trade, bro. Those are inefficient lows too, but still. It's going to go right back down, chat. Broke the downtrend? No. Still going to go down. No, it's definitely going to go down still. The disrespect, bro. The disrespect is real, bro. It's gonna go down for sure, chat. It just disrespected me, bro. I can't take another trade, bro. I told you guys I wouldn't. I told you guys I wouldn't take another trade, bro. Still up, bro. Don't get back in. No, I know. I just know it's going to hit these lows just like gold did yesterday. It's going to shoot down, yeah. This is so manipulated, bro. I know it. I see it, bro. This thing is about to shoot down, chat. Just get ready. Here. Two micros, three micros of what I would really use. 230 for my first partial. 260. Let's see. Let's see, chat. You would have to hold that high. Underneath true day open, yeah. Re-enter. Good morning, Panda. How we doing? What's the probability of an incoming flip? What you mean? I am the flip. I wouldn't trade on a balance sheet day like today. Look at this, bro. She literally came and took us out just to go straight into our. Let's see. Messing with the music, fam? Yes, sir. There's always going to be more opportunities. The discipline is inspiring. Yes, sir. I'm paper trading, chat. But I'm going to show you that my analysis is still going to play out. I'm just going to paper trade it for you. He said, "Flip, you the best. You the best, bro. You the best, bro. You the best, bro." Don't even say a word. Just let it hit TP and stay absolutely silent. All right, bet. Just that stare. I don't care what you guys say. I don't care what you guys say. I'm literally playing with my profits so I don't go in any drawdown, by the way. $41, 40 up 43 on the day. 6-point stop. Back down to these lows. Four to one risk to reward just in this alone. 7 to 1 right here. Beautiful closure, by the way. Here we go. Come on. That was just the first 5 minute of the 30-minute. We should get a nice hourly closure now. $35. I'm only holding this high right here. It is very tight. It is very tight, chat. 5-minute closure. 3 minutes. Hold. 3 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on. All the way back down. This 5-minute is insufficient too, though. That's why I'm holding stops so tight. Because if it's bearish, it's going to roll off this low. You're going to see it roll off of this low. It's trying to induce the last little bit of buyers before we sweep the rest of the lows. This is still in the same trade, chat. Everyone's going to be like, bro, you have no self-control. Overtrade. But guess what? Everyone was saying that same thing. Everyone was saying that same thing yesterday whenever we caught the whole move on gold shorts. I thought you were done. I thought you were done. And then they watched me capitalize on a 4K day. So guess what? I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, chat. Just peep game. How about that? Just peep game. And if I don't, guess what? Either way, 43 up on the day. I only have a $35 stop loss with 5 points, 6 points. If that ain't precision, I don't know what is, man. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm still green on the day. He said I'm not leaving. Chat, talk to me. What? So I will lift my Jesus, you're my fancy. Everything around was forfeit. Sound of melody, a sound of grace. Yes, sir! Just call it a day, man. I'll call it a day when my TP gets smashed. I'm just kidding. If I take the $35 L, obviously I'm done. I'm not going in red. That's for a fact. Flip, what's the value of your private Discord? Can you tell me what's in there? We get 2 case studies a week. I'll show you guys basically what a case study looks like in a way. Sounds and sound in your love. Let me show you a case study real quick. Hey. Comfort and showing my... $5-minute. Yeah, we shouldn't go back up to the 5-minute high. For the 15-minute closure, we shouldn't. I'm break even now. Ha, 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 ha. What do you got to say now? Ha, I'm break even. What do you have to say now, chat? What do you have to say now? Oh, I thought you're going to overtrade. Break even. Risk free. Sorry, chat. I was showing you the case studies. sorry. The case studies are lit. I've learned so much from them. I got a couple on my desk, chat. W's. You didn't keep your word, debut mentor. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. When you're in control, you know what's up. When you're in control, you know what's up, bro. Why would I listen to chat, bro? I know I see something if I see it, bro. That's why we're break even and we're in profit again. But if I listened to you guys, I wouldn't have taken another trade. Yes, sir. When you know and you study, you know what's up. Exactly. We're risk free, bro. With a 5, we had held a 5-point stop, by the way. But someone just tell me when the lows get taken. I'm gonna show the case study. If we can get the lows to get taken, let me know when the lows get taken. I'm gonna show this case study. All right. So this is the last case study that I did. I'm just gonna do a brief overview, give you the canvas. I highlight everything in colors, so you could see. London's in the green, Asian sessions in the blue. I go through, tell you guys what I see. I ask you, what do you see? And then, hold up. It's a lot of pages, so I basically ask what you see, and then I start putting the layered thinking of what you should be looking for based on what price is doing. Okay. 1-minute canvas. Basically go through, and I start telling you everything. What you should be looking for, and price. I do 2 case studies a week, 1 class a week. And all the classes are posted inside of the school. And so are the case studies as well. Guys, this price is not going to be this price forever. So I have it on the screen. We're at 53. No. Hold up. That number has changed. That number has changed. 1 second, chat. We're at 55. All right, we are at 55 members. We only have 45 spots remaining at this price. Once this price is, once I change this price, it'll never be this price again. I promise you. It'll never be this price ever again. I'm already giving you guys a blessing as it is by giving you guys this price for this price. All right. So take advantage of it. Just like the first 300 people took advantage of the free Discord. All right. Lows. Practicing. Oh, okay. Love the prayer music, man. Thank you. Is it a one-time fee or monthly? It's monthly, but that's the whole point of it being $20. It's literally $20. I will be making a one-time fee next year, but I will be pricing accordingly because it's going to be like something huge. Just a little small leak. I am making a one-time payment for next year, but it is going to be completely different. Oh, there's nothing. 594. All right. Come on, price. Don't go back up. You want to go back lower. How much is it to I'll buy it. Links in the bio. $20. It's $20, bro. Saipan be trolling, bro. Price is about to reverse. We'll see. That's what it wants retail to think. No, I'm just kidding. We still have SMT at those lows, so it can. But I think these lows are still inefficient too, though. We haven't created any form of swing. Thank you for the shared lives. Double tap the screen, chat. Let's go. Can we get to 10K? How are we not at 10K likes, guys? Come on. I just want double taps. I don't give signals. I give trade ideas. I'm not a signal service, bro. I'm trying to teach you to be able to trade for yourself. Not just have you be relying upon me. By the way, everything that I teach is on YouTube for free. You don't need me for anything. Come on, chat. Price is coming back up on this last 5-minute candle, but we are failing to take the 5-minute high. It did give a nice bullish closure, but I think we could still go lower. We'll see. Does it take us out or does it hold us in, chat? Does it hold us in, chat, or does it take us out? Come on. Take them lows, baby. You know what time it is. Come on. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Come on. Come home. Come on home. Come on home. Come on. Flip, can you do a New Year's discount? That is the New Year's discount. $20 is a New Year's discount, bro. Because I promise you this one price will never be this price again. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. Ever, ever. How much is it normally? A lot more than this, bro. I know how much my value is on myself, my trading, my experience, how I teach, the blueprint, the testimonials, the people that have made results off of how I've taught. And it's nothing different than ICT. It's literally ICT, but I'm just showing you how I see it. And I'm applying those concepts. So that's what you're paying for. You're paying for my time and my experience. Matthew, I'm pretty sure I accepted you. I'm sorry if I didn't. I'm pretty sure I gave access to school. But let me double check. I think I got you already. What's your TP at? London lows is going to be 1 take partial, and then 25 460 is my other take profit. What is this song called? Nothing that's better than Graves into Gardens. It's called Graves into Gardens. Can you tell me how it would make me a better trader? I mean, only you can make yourself a better trader. I can put the blueprint in front of you and you know, lead you to the water. But at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you to make your own. How much you put in is how much you get out in this industry, bro. I mean, in any industry, it's like that. It's a very cliche statement, you know. You got to have, for me personally, I always told myself 10,000 hours. You cannot master any craft unless you have at least 10,000 hours into that craft. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, what I see is you gotta, I like to go by everyone says it's very cliche. I don't care. Eric Thomas says it best, bro. When he took the man out into the water and he started drowning him, and he said, this is a hypothetical statement, by the way. He started saying, you know, what did the dude want to do in that moment? You know what I'm saying? All he wanted to do was breathe. When you want to succeed as bad as you wanted to breathe, then you're going to be successful, right? Until you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful, bro. Until then, you're going to want, You're just going to be average, bro. You're not going to want to put anything to the test, bro. Most people are content with being average. But for me, bro, I've always challenged myself. I've always been a very hard person to like come across when it has come to myself. Like I'm very hard on myself. I held myself to a very high standard. So when it came to like learning this stuff, anybody else watch the TJR bootcamp? It's fire. Are you trading tomorrow? No. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. I will come to the live and I will see what's up with everyone in the community and stuff like that, but I'm not going to be trading. But yes, chat, I do want to just, what channel do you buy it from? I didn't buy, I mean, back in the days, he did charge. It was a 12-month mentorship he charged for, but now he put everything on YouTube for free, so you don't have to pay anything. So you can go to the YouTube and watch everything on YouTube for free. ICT, Inner Circle Trader. Go watch all of his videos. Start on the 2022 mentorship. Right now, I'm trading NQ. Do I buy it from you? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Just join the Discord. Appreciate it. Let's see. Oh, we get a bunch of Discord notifications. Hold up. 1, 2, and guys, you guys are getting locked in at this price. So whatever price that you get in at, this is your price that you will be locking in with. So once I take this price off the page, those people will be stuck with that price, locked in, which is, you know, whoever takes advantage of the opportunity, you may look back at this moment and be like, dang, bro, like I'm so glad I took a chance on that, because you never know what's going to happen next year, bro. Once we hit max payout, once we hit this 100 members, price is going up, bro. We let the first 300 in for free. We let the first 100 in at a very discounted price. We started with 100 members in our Discord. We're at over 700 in a matter of a couple months, bro. We started with a couple, maybe 1,000, 2,000 followers. We're at almost 10K, chat. We're almost at 10K followers. We're less than 1,000 followers away from 10K. Appreciate all the follows, by the way. Thank you. Like, bro, we're growing rapidly, and so we got to scale. We got to scale, bro. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and update the page. We have 58 members. There's 42 spots remaining at this price. 42 members at this price, or until we rinse max profits. All right. We are at 58 members now. So make sure you guys, hour change incoming, I know. Discord links in the bio. If you can't get in through the link in the bio, just send me a DM on TikTok. I will get back to all my DMs. Lean with it. She just capitalized on a major deal, because that membership is probably going to be taken off. So if you did get that membership, that's probably the first membership that's gonna go, because that price is crazy, outrageous. It's such a blessing, honestly. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's a blessing. I'm blessed to be a blessing. So I will never look to price gouge you guys, especially for something that's already out there for free. But what I will say is I want to be compensated for the time that I'm spending. That's all. Have you ever tried Alpha or Top Step? Which do you prefer? I have not tried Alpha. I am on Top Step, and I do like Top Step myself. Jose, what's good, my boy? Shout out my boy Jose in the building, my brother. You feel me? Yes, sir. I'm following my plan, but I'm bullish. Hey, whatever you are, I am too. You know what I mean? If you're bullish, I'm bullish. I'm just kidding, psych. If you're bullish, then I hope you have a good stop loss, because I see these inefficient lows, and I believe we can get them taken. So I hope, you know, you are. I'm asking, where do I pay for the course? It's in the Discord link is in my bio. Go pay for it on the WAP. If you need the WAP link, I can send it to you. I don't have a stop loss. Oh shoot, you're cooked. If you don't have, wow, that just triggered. When will be the last time to get membership at $20? Whenever the 100 people are in for that price, or whenever we hit 10K on across all 5 accounts, whichever comes first. And as of right now, we're at 2.5. So realistically, all we have is 7.5K to put up, and we will have hit max profits on Top Step. Then we will request our withdrawal. I will be posting those withdrawals inside of the Discord to obviously keep my transparency like I have through this whole time. And yeah, we keep it pushing, chat. Thank you, Panda. Send it to me. Send me a DM on TikTok. I got you, Amar. Why did you enter shorts? Because price reacted off the high of the day and then fell off of an order block, consequential encroachment of an order block. You let your member copy trade. So usually, I don't, this is never financial advice. I'm not a financial manager, accountant, nothing like that. Past profits don't guarantee future results. You know what I mean? All forms of disclaimers are put inside the Discord. I do give educational calls for, you know, live price action, giving trade ideas, but I will never give, you know, a suggestion of what you should do with your own money. I am not qualified, nor do I want to be qualified. But yes, chat. Bang! 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 We took a partial. One partial right there. Now we are up $100 on the day. We are holding 3 micros. Bang! There we go, chat. There we go, chat. First partial again off of our second entry that held off of a 5-point stop loss. If that is not precision, chat, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Y'all want to say this, y'all want to say that, ICT this, ICT that, but at the end of the day, I continue to produce results. It's undeniably true. Dance, boy? All right. Say less, say less. I'll dance. I'll dance. I don't mind. This is for all the people who are like, why are you over trading? W discipline, all this stuff. Well, guess what? Your discipline doesn't get you this. My discipline does get me this. Bang! Holy, keep going. The gift that keeps on giving, baby. Yep. Then we take another partial right there. Oh, we up 184, chat, and we hold 2 micros all the way down to TP. Oh my goodness. Talk about the gift that keeps on giving. W's in the chat. We're up 200. We're up 200, bro. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yes, sir. Thank you. Come again, buddy. Is this express or eval? Is this express or eval? These are 5 expresses. 5 expresses, my brother. 5. We copy trade 5 accounts, my friend. Yes, sir. 250K past Enoch. That's what I'm talking about. New Year's Eve blessings, chat. This is what I call a New Year's Eve blessing. All right. I love it. I love it. Can I get an F1 in the chat if you're just floating in like crazy amounts of profit? Can I just get F1, please, in the chat? Just spam up F1. The Father comes first, chat. The Father comes first. The Father comes first. Come on, chat. Talk to him. Talk to him. Let him know who we walking with. Yes, sir. We love to see it, man. Another beautiful day. Why did you take the shorts? Because of that reason right there, fam. Because of that reason right there, fam. Everything was disclosed. And I waited. I said it was my 1-shot, 1-kill, silver bullet entry. We held that entry as well. I only squeezed the trade and got stopped at break even. That's why I entered again. I never went against myself because my trade was never invalidated. I mismanaged my trade by putting it at break even before we took London lows. Come on, talk to me nice, chat. Talk to me nice. If it ain't that la la la, you hit different, J. I know. Together, mommy. Talk to us nice, chat. TP. We on the way to TP, chat. Come on. Hey. The money gun. Make it spray. Make it spray. Make it spray. Let's go, chat. Make sure you're taking your partials, chat. Make sure you're taking partials. Never seen this dude lose. We lose. Don't get it twisted. We still lose, chat. But it's a controlled loss. That's what matters. Let's go, chat. I don't have a PayPal payment system. Hey, where's TP? 25,460. If we can get down there today, then that's where I want to take it. I don't mind if price comes all the way back up. I'm not worried. I already got basically $200 on the day. That's $1,000 day for me. Just keep stacking that account balance, chat. Don't force anything. It's the end of the new year, bro. It's the end of the year, chat. This is just extra bread. Don't be greedy, chat. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Take your partials, pay yourself, let the trade pay you. Patience pays. Patience is a position. Continue to sit in your patience and let the trade pay for the rest of the day. 1 hour closure. Look at the 1 hour closure, chat. Bang! Oh, look at that 1 hour closure. We literally called the 1 hour high. We literally called the 1 hour continuation. Talk to me nice, chat. To do what? To deliver to the Asian lows. It's JC again. I love you. Thank you, Flip. That's what I'm talking about. 14K. Keep spamming up them double taps, guys. That's what I'm talking about. 5 seconds left. 1 hour closure. Look, let's look at ES. Let's look at ES. What did ES do? I bet you it fell off a cliff. Holy moly. Look, what did I say? ES was going to be even more bearish. Look, it's about to take that daily low. Holy, engineered equal lows as well. Bro, ES is about to fall off a cliff. If you're still holding ES, please let me know. Please let me know if you're holding ES still. Let me hear it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Hold up. Is Homegirl still in that? Is my lady boss that asked about ES this morning still in her trade? Let's see. Miss Perez, I believe is her name. Talk to her nice. Let me see. Miss Perez, can you step to the front of the class, please? I don't know if she's in here, but... Hey, Perez, you're up. All eyes on Miss Perez. Got in the VIP and got the same trade as you. Same entry, take profit, London lows. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Bum, bum, be dum, bum. Hey, hey. Listen, I think Miss Perez, I think she called it a day. She might have, you know, hey, Miss Perez, can you wake up? She's over here like this, sleeping on her desk. She just, like, she's floating in profit. She's just like this, sleeping on her desk and stuff. Like, ma'am, we're still in class. Wake up. You know what I'm saying? I'm in profit. Hey, anyone who's in the Discord, if you could just do me a favor, if you're a part of the F1 community, please just do me a favor, chat. Can you do me one big favor? Can you just put your green days in the green days? If you've taken any profits, I want to see your P&Ls. Put your P&L inside the green days if you are in any profit on the day. Go to the green day, post a screenshot of what you made today. I want to see it. I want to see it. I seen yesterday Jay Boogie put up a fat bag. I seen Jay Suarez put up 4K across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost like 20 accounts. Holy snap, Jay Suarez is going so crazy. We got a $700 day. We had a 12K day from Hefa. Let's go, Hefa. She's going absolutely bonkers. She's an OG. Bro. Jay Boogie with the 225 on the day. Let's go across 2 accounts. And he's floating, he's floating 225 up 200. That's what I'm talking about. I made 3K, but using 5 units on NQ and 2K on my other from these trades. Thanks, Flip. No problem. No problem. I'm about to pass my eval. Let's go. Let's go. Man, first time watching you live, and you made me 130. Blessed to be a blessing, my friend. We're just blessed to be a blessing. It's all glory to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. He's the one that continues to provide. He's the one who continues to allow me to step into overflow each and every day, chat. It is not me. It is all him. I promise you, it is not me. It is all him. I'm just continuing to show up and be the vessel. Let's go, chat. Let's go. That was a beautiful 1 hour closure. That's the only reason why I haven't taken another partial. Because I do feel that our 1 hour entries are low-key bomb. Like bomb, that we could just see price kind of leak out for the rest of the day. You're a blessing, bro. I appreciate that. First time watching you, made 700-ish, 500 on XFA and 290 on combines. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. 718 miles per hour. That's fast. You know what I say to that? That's all gas, no brakes, baby. You feel me? All gas, no brakes. 700, by the way. Flip, make initial fee lower, please. No, I am not. What? Do you not just, you're trying to undervalue what I'm already undervaluing myself? That's even crazier. That's a crazy statement. Amar, obviously you don't see the value in me. Obviously you don't see the value in what I bring to the table. That's fine. But to tell me to lower my price is insane, brother. Insane, brother. Hear me out, Flip. Talk to me, Adrian. Talk to me. Can you explain why you took the trade? Yes, I'm doing a case study on it. I'm doing a case study on today's price and GC's price from yesterday. And I should have those in the Discord. I think I'm going to work on them for tomorrow and Friday. All right? Make it free? Nah, yeah, you're trolling. Music, bro. Relax. I just want to talk to my fam, bro. Hey, congratulations. This is beautiful energy. May you guys all continue to ascend and make profit. Yes. We all just need to ascend. Would you love, would those who in the 20 stay at 20 forever, or will it go up when you change prices? No, that's the whole point. It will stay that 20 forever. For however long you keep your membership. But if you lose your membership, it will not go back to the 20. That's the whole point. You get in at an early time. You get it at a discount. But what happens when we're at like 3,000 members and the people who got in at $20, they're going to be like, bro, yes, we're eating. Right? For the people, for the first 300 who got in for free, they're even more like, yes, I'm so glad I took a chance on a free Discord. Think about the first 300 people that got in for free. Now they're over here saying like, yes, sir. Zach, I've been waiting to see you in here, bro. I think you requested, bro. I've been waiting to see you in here, Zach. I just wanted to make sure that this was you requesting access for the school. Now that I know, Zach, what's your Discord name? What's your Discord name, Zach? Because I have a couple people who have requested to get access to the school, but they have not sent me their Discord names. So I can't verify if you're in the Discord or not. So make sure if you are requesting for the school that you are. I just confirmed you, Zach. You should be able to see everything. All right. If you did join, guys, I want you to make sure that you are sending me your Discord name on TikTok. He said, it's been a minute, took a mental break, but I'm back. That's what I'm talking about, Zach. Sometimes it just be like that, bro. Sometimes you just need a little break to come back, bounce back even harder. I see the value. I'm just broke. This is my last 50, brother. Listen, I was broke when I first started too. I was spending my last $20, but so I couldn't eat, chat. I couldn't eat. I wanted to get to this market so bad. So like I said, if you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. What are you willing to sacrifice? Some people's sacrifices are different. Mine was, I didn't want to eat. I didn't want to eat another meal until I got to my education. So I put bread into the market before I would even choose a dinner. That's how much I was literally starving to get to this. So yeah. That's me. That's me though. That's my journey. That's not for everybody, you know, but that's just my journey. I request access because I'm in private and it doesn't work like that here. Wait, I'm confused, Daniel. Message me on TikTok. Message me on TikTok. Guys, I'm not going to go through all your chat comments talking about this is my Discord name. Message me on TikTok, a DM with your school name and your Discord name. How do I join? Link is in the bio. Link is in my bio. Click the WAP. Link is in the bio. How do I start trading for a first timer? Go on YouTube, type in ICT, Inner Circle Trader. Go watch all of his videos. Start paper trading on tradingview.com until it makes sense to you. I don't think you have approved mine either. I'll message you both. Yes. Make sure you guys are messaging me your Discord name and your school name so that I can confirm your access. What are trade ideas? Trade ideas are ideas for trades. Very self-explanatory in its own name. What if you're not in the school? What do you mean? Message me your name, your Discord name. Message me your Discord name and your school name. Long or short? I am short. Can you give me an example of a chat? Oh my gosh. This was a trade idea right now. 25 594 to the London lows. It was a 5-to-1 risk to reward. 7-to-1, I'm sorry. 7-to-1 risk to reward off of a 5-point stop. There's a trade idea right there from today. I had 2 trade ideas to go on this morning. One from the top of the high that I said gave the best risk to reward, and then one from down here. What's the school name you are referring to? It's in my Discord. Do you have payouts for a year consistently? No, I just started back up this year. I just started back up actually 4 months ago. 5 months ago, I'm sorry. But I have 2 payouts in the last 5 months. And all of them have been on stream in front of the community. What are the other ranks in your Discord? What do you mean? There's TikTok OGs. Those TikTok OGs, which have a yellow name, those are the ones who got grandfathered into the business. Those are the ones who took a chance on the free Discord when I first started with 10, 20 viewers on TikTok, and I wasn't getting no viewership, and I wasn't getting no one. Those were the first 300 who took a chance on the community, and they got it grandfathered in. After that, we started a payment system in October, and I said the first 100 people are going to get in at a discounted price. Now we're sitting at over 700 people in the Discord, and we're almost at our 100 discounted members. So why are you selling something if you only have 2 payouts? Because the blueprint is duplicatable. Y'all are pushing payouts. I'm pushing to show you guys how to get to those payouts. Mind you, I did this with bare minimum risk. So I got funded in front of you, and I'm put up already 2.7K across 5 accounts. You do the math. Not everything is about a payout, bro. If you want to go follow someone for a payout, go follow like TJR. He'll go show off all of his his PJ, his Barabbas, all that stuff. I'm not here to show you like this fancy, you know what I'm saying, this fancy life. I'm here to put you in front of the real information. Not saying that he didn't either, but I'm not portraying myself to be like this rich guru. Hey, Marwan. How about this? I could care less what you got to say, fam. So, I'm going to keep it a buck. I don't care what you have to say. Newbies won't understand exactly. They not seeing the vision, bah. Facts. When did you first start streaming in general? All right, so I first started streaming on TikTok about a year ago. But I was just doing like gaming content. I didn't do any trading. I told you I wasn't trading at the time. So I had about like 1,000, 2,000 followers just off of gaming content. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bridge the gap between entertainment and finance. And that's how I'm in a flow state, bro. I'm in a flow state. It's not about, guys, and I hope you guys are not just sitting here seeing like, oh, bro, like you rarely be losing. Like, guys, I still take losses. There's no such thing as a perfect trader, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's no such thing as a perfect trader. I will take losses, guys. Losses are inevitable. But guess what? How you control your loss, how you manage your risk is going to be how you stay in the game, bro. And that's one thing that I'll say I will be on top of every step of the way is my risk. Stop yapping. This guy. I'm pretty sure this guy is like, this guy, he's great. He's great. He's a great guy. He's a great guy, guys. He's a great guy. Flip, share the vision. Are you looking to bundle 20 evals or what's your plan? I would love to copy trade more accounts. Me personally, I will be like probably moving over to a live account this upcoming year because I told you guys I'm a swing trader. I like to swing. You know what I'm saying? I don't I don't know who you are, fam. I don't know who you are, fam. You never meet a hater doing better than you. I mean, even if a hater is doing better than me, I'm fine with it. I'm not in no competition with nobody, bro. Pause, bro said he's a swinger. I swing trade. I'm a swing trader. Some people just don't like to see others succeed, bro. I know. You trade gold? Yes, we had a fire gold trade yesterday. Jesus Christ is coming back soon. Flip. I've had dreams of him coming back like lightning. It says no man knows the day or the hour, but I do know that there are a lot of signs pointing to are you going to be putting calls and class times on the calendar? Yes, yes. I will be getting a better schedule for you guys definitely this year. I told you guys I wanted to be more structured, especially with my classes and stuff like that. So I definitely will be having the calendar and everything posted for that for you guys as well. Exactly. I'm only in competition with myself. Bearish reversal today. Nice sales, bro. Yes, sir. Damn, I missed it. I got the VIP membership, but having trouble finding you on Discord. Uh, you should be able to have linked your WAP straight to. If you linked your WAP to, I mean, your Discord to the WAP, then you should have instant access. It should send you an invite immediately. Whether it's through like an email or something, it should have already sent it to you. Some people don't get the lingo, I know. Flip, how much do you need for a live account? Me personally, I don't know if I want to do like a 5K deposit or a 10K deposit. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. We'll see when the time comes. Facts. Don't like the content, keep scrolling. You don't have to stay here. Facts. Exactly. El Loco. Appreciate the follow, my friend. 3D, I appreciate the follow. I see you're starting small. What's the balance you start with in lot sizes? That's good for you. Me personally, on these 50Ks, I like I like to show you guys that you don't need, $1,000 days, off of like 10 and 20 micros that you can put profits up with small accounts. So I've showed you guys how to get funded and how to put up profits with 1 to 3 micros. No, not exceeding more than 5 micros throughout this whole 30-day process. And you can see it, we're up 2,600, 2,500 plus, the 3K that we put up for all the combines. Look at gold. Did you use ICT when you first started? No, it took me 4 years to find ICT. Three to 4 years to find ICT. So I was learning retail concepts for 3 to 4 years. I had to unlearn all those. Then I had to reteach myself ICT. Flip, I'm on the VIP Discord. Too many fakes are writing me up. I know. A lot of scammers. I will never message you on Discord, guys. I will never message you personally on TikTok. If you message me, yes, I will respond to you, but I will never go out of my way to hit you up to tell you to buy anything, do anything, because at the end of the day, everything is on YouTube for free. So at the end of the day, you don't need me for anything. Once again, you do not need me for anything. I'm just a vessel, a shortcut, someone who has been through the trenches, and I'm just someone who's looking to help, bro. That's it. Let me check. 58. Chat, we're at 58. Chat, we're at 58. Spots are going quick. Spots are going quick, chat. Are you live daily in the morning? Yes, every morning I'm live. Whether after this I'll be live just only inside of my community or on TikTok. I will be live. Yes, every morning. 58. Yes, we are at 58 people. 42. Need the VIP flip? I'm pretty sure I sent you all the link, but if you can't get to the link through the link in my bio, then if you can't get to it through the link in my bio, send me a message on TikTok. I will send you the link. Just purchase the private. What do I do? What do I do now? No. What do I do now? No. Now. It's got to be now. What do I do now? What do you mean? Go through all of it. Go through the whole Discord. Like, what do you mean? And then there's a school that I have pinned inside of the trading announcements. So go through the Discord, go through the channels, read some of the announcements, click on the school, get access, request to access, send me a DM on TikTok with your name from Discord and your name for the school. Okay? I do not look at the orb. I do not look at the orb. Flip, is the VIP Discord a whole different server or is it just those hidden channels? Yes, it is the hidden channels. We're all one big community, but I will we're all one big community, but the VIPs get my majority of my attention. Even though there is some value in the free. Thank you for everything, bro. God bless you and your family. Thank you, Jay. Jay Boogie. Do you think price can reverse to the upside now? Personally, I don't think it will. I do think this is just a 1 hour open high, low close. But we could go up. We could go up, Chad. We took the low of the day. We could go up. We took the high of the day, then we took the low of the day. It could want to just go back up and sit at 50%. But ideally, you don't want to see price come back above the old high or the old low that it 1 hour low that it was right there. But it's looking like it's rebounding pretty hard off this low, you know? So we'll see. Regardless of what price does, though, I still see this as a 1 hour inefficient low. And if price does not come up and engulf this whole last 1 hour candle, it will definitely take this low again. So it could be just rebalancing the previous 1 hour before it gives another extension down. Because that's a complete closure below what the bodies of these candles look. So when we had the candle body closure, you're going to see a retest back of the 1 hour candle, which would give the balancing of this previous 1 hour to continue to give us a close, a 1 hour close. But we are getting, he said, my glorious Puerto Rican goddess. Chat, you got to understand that this is also the last day of the monthly candle, so I do want to see kind of price expand a little bit. We should stay within our order flow. 4 hours looking good as well. If you look at the 4 hour, how price already created a new low. I can see 4 hour kind of wanting to finish at least down here or even kind of close to this wick. If you look at this wick right here, even if I'm looking for another form of liquidity, I would say the 50% of this will give you your next level that you could potentially look to target around 25,500, yeah. And then after that, we go to 25,460 if we can get that low. But the 4 hour flipped bearish. I don't see, me personally, I don't see it like reacting off anything here and then continuing to go back up. I think we still dive for a deeper discount, which would fill the equilibrium of the range. This is just a 1 hour retracement for me personally, inducing people off of the low, thinking it's a double bottom. All right. I bought it, boss man. W's. Amar. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me see how many members we got. 59. 41 spots left, chat. 41 spots. Make sure you guys are getting in while you can. Because once this price is gone, it's gone. I'll never have it here again at this price. Ever, 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 ever. When did you start trading? 2018. 2017, 2018. 2017, 2018. 2018? Yeah. 2018. What pair are you looking at? NQ. NASDAQ. How much is it? It's $20 a month. Are you going live for PM session? I'm live right now. Any problem at that time? What do you mean? Of course, that was the beginning of my journey. I was literally seeking out all the information. I struggled. I blew accounts. I struggled. I blew accounts. I didn't know how to read price. I was the retail getting induced into the market thinking I was sitting up, 20, $30 in profit and then price comes and just smacks me back out. And I would never understand what was going off. How did I trail off of profits and I'm still at break even? Shouldn't I have made profit? I'm confused. How do I trail off of profits? What do you mean? I'm confused. We are officially at 60. We are officially at 60, bro. 40 members remaining, chat. 40 members remaining. 40 members remaining at this price. Link is in the bio. Get in while you can. Generational long incoming. Oh, I know. The longs that are going to be for next year are going to be absolutely insane, chat. Do you guys understand that going into a new year? Let me just highlight this real quick because this is going to be absolutely insane. A lot of people don't understand that we are setting up for such a generational long. I just want to put into perspective, chat. Do you guys understand these equal highs here that we have left for next year? The generational long that's going to come to take these highs is absolutely crazy. We might actually just make the biggest bag we've probably ever made off these trades if we go up and take those highs. All right? Which at some point we will next year. But until then, I still see us bearish to the fair value gap low. All right? If it takes us out, it takes us out. I'm still content with holding. This is just a 1 hour retracement. And we go lower. All right. Are you in longs or shorts? Do you trade micros or minis? I trade micros. Micros. But shoot, when I go into a live account, I might be swing trading with some big bread, because I'm gonna see if I can catch like a monthly low and then just swing that thing all the way diamond hands. Bro, what do you mean? I've been calling out shorts all day. Do you not see the screen? I'm literally at break even. I wouldn't take any trades. So that's why I'm not answering any long or short questions, because there's no trades anymore right here. This is all just, we already took both sides of liquidity. So we either react off here and we go lower, back down, or we come back up and we take this whole 1 hour candle that gave us the displacement below the London low. He said, hey, family, can I come up and spread the gospel? Yeah, we'll plan something out. Message me on TikTok. We'll plan something out. Why don't you use the position tool? What do you mean? Because I don't need it. I'm break even. We had no wick to the opening of this candle as well. That's why I'm not scared. No wick to the opening of this candle. We should tap it and then reject off of it. If we do go through it, that's why we have stops at break even right here, because price shouldn't want to reject off this if we're bearish still. See? 15-minute closure should come right back down and close inside of this fair value gap right here if we're bearish still. If not, we can look to see price go back up, because we are kind of closing through this inverse. Very strong violating this. So we'll see. 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes left. We should get a closure back down into this area. Come on. Come back down. Cupertino. W's. He is a new F1T member. Appreciate that, fam. Like I said, chat, we are at 60 private members now. Let's go. VIPs. Are you trading PM session? I'm only holding this trade for however long it lets me hold it. If it comes and takes me out at break even, I'll take my $200 day. You know what I mean? I'll take my $200 day. Wait, $16 is right there. Yeah. I'll take my $200 day and I'll call it a day, chat. You know what I mean? This 15 minutes not supposed to give this type of closure if we're gonna go back down. It would have respected this. So I'll take my $200 and I'll be happy for the day. That's $1,000 day for me. Yep. That's fine with me, chat. Technically, we caught the whole high since we had price from this high today. Look, MES, we called at this high. And then if you look here, we don't even need this position off of trading view. We called this on MNQ as well from this high. So, bro got cooked. No, I didn't. I'm up 200 on the day. Realistically, I could care less. I wasn't even going to trade today. Those longs are not convincing. I'm just going to keep it a buck. Those longs are not convincing. If you want to take the longs, go ahead. I just don't think they're very convincing. That's just me, though. W, if anyone was able to make bread, we are officially at 61 members now. Let's see who joined. $61 members. Let's see. I will stay with us for another 30 minutes. But I'm just gonna show you guys just to let you know I'm not playing around. I don't care. It can go back down. It can smash the lows. That was my one shot, one kill. We took the liquidity that I was looking for, which was the London lows, and I'm locked out for the day. I'll take my 200. We're up 2.5K on the month. Across 5 accounts, that's a 10K month. I'll take it. Okay? That's a 2.5K month on top of the 3K that we put up to get funded. That was all with 1 to 3 micros, by the way. Like I said, it's still going to go down, but I'm just going to let you know I'm locking out because I just don't care. I'm not going to fight price on New Year's Eve. You the only real trader, W? Yes, sir. Where are your streams posted? They're posted on my YouTube. Links in the bio. Low-key been in longs. Bottom tick that. Yes, nice. Just take your partials because it's going to go right back down. If you was gone long, you missed the move. To be honest, it's most likely going to tap VWAP. Oh, yeah, don't care about a VWAP. I sent a message, but you have to approve it when you can. I got you. I will see all your messages. I promise I get to all my DMs. Flip, I'm long. My boy Bebo's back in the chat. What's good, Bebo? How you doing today, man? It's love, fam. How you doing today? You got 10 accounts? No, I have 5. I have 5 accounts. Thank you, sir. Are you streaming on TikTok for now? Yes, yes, yes. I am going to be streaming on TikTok until we hit max profits, okay? Max profits is just 10K. All right? Which I think low key, I don't want to like put a time frame on anything because I'm not in no rush. You know what I mean? There's no rush. There's no rush to get to max profits. You know what I mean? But we are at 2.5K, chat. Almost, no, 2.6K. Across 5 accounts. So think about it, bro. That's really only 7.4K. If we put that up, I think we can put that up. Bro, we put up 3K plus the 2.5. We're up 5.5 on the month. Across 5, that's 25. In total. All right? So my thing is if we could just do 7.5 in January, February, then bro, that's easy. Max payout. We close down the Discord to private. We close down the AM sessions to live price action only inside of the Discord. Okay. We will only be doing AM sessions in the Discord. So take advantage of the time that you have me on the screen right now, because after we rinse Top Step for max payout, we will be closing down the Discord to private members only inside of the AM session. I'm sorry. So I will only come to 9 a.m. inside of the Discord, and then I will come to the TikTok live at 1 p.m. Eastern. And we will either be in trades. We might take a trade in PM session, It just depends on how the day lines up. But like I said, chat, once these 100 members get in at this price, I will probably, no, probably. I will never have it at this price again. There's no probably. I will never. I will never. So, it's just a last call for anyone who's been around, who's seen the magic, who continues to see us put up numbers. Since it broke even, you're trading PM? No, I'm not trading PM. Did you not just see I locked my account? I locked out my account. I'm done for the day. I'll take my 200, I'll take my $1,000 day, and I'm done. I told you guys it was going to sell off right back down. This was just manipulation. But I know what the market is doing, and there's no need to chase, bro. It's New Year's Eve. I'm already up 200. I don't care. You know what I mean? I really don't care what the market does. No, you're good. How do I get the link for Discord? Where's the link? It's in my bio. Link is in the bio. Link is in the bio. If you can't get to the link in the bio, message me on TikTok. DM me on TikTok. I got you. Time frame, this is a 15-minute. Zachary Clark, my boy. Happy New Year, bro. Enjoy the day. Bro, get rest. Facts. Just made my day off. Let's go. Bias. Sorts. Have you taken any payouts? Yes. It's in my Discord. My Discord sees everything. I'm transparent with my community. I don't care about a TikTok chat. My community knows what's best. Appreciate all the follows, guys. Keep double tapping the screen. We're almost at 20K. Come on. Do you still think it's going down? Yes, I told you we're gonna take those lows again. I'm not gonna trade it. Did your TP end up getting hit? Yes, sir. Well, not my end of day TP, but my intraday TP, yes. Internal to external range was hit, yes. We caught from the AM high to London low. And that's exactly where I said to take a partial. Because I knew price was going to give a small reaction to come right back down and take us right back out. It's typical bearish order flow, chat, realistically. Engulfing, we're going to use this opening to now continue to go lower. Like, even if you were, like, bro. Just so you guys know I'm not tripping, bro. I'll paper trade it for you for these last 30 minutes just to show you. All right. Just to show you. Just to show you that I don't need to be I don't need to be trading every single thing on a live account to still pull bread. Like I know what the market's going to do, bro. People are thinking, this is what people are thinking, bro. Oh my gosh, inverse fair value gap. This thing's going to go to the moon. Inducing all people who really don't understand the narrative of price. So once they bring price back down here, they're going to flood the lows again. Or, look at this. From high to low. Yeah. 50% is here. We still have a 15-minute. Like I said, they took high of the day, which was here. We took the high of the day here. Okay. Then we took the low of the day, which was here. Okay. So you got high of the day that was taken. Then you got low of the day that was taken. Then what is price going to do? It's going to want to balance itself out. So we either go and test the last form of 15-minute buy-side liquidity, which would be a 15-minute STL, short-term liquidity. And that's why I don't chase. That's why I did not chase this on my live account. I locked out because everything becomes lower probability when external range gets hit. So now 15-minute, it either comes here to balance out the whole entire price leg, or it continues to sell off because these are still inefficient lows on a 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour. We just have it in golfing, which is enticing buyers for institution participation. It's really easy, bro. So just be patient, chat. Let the market do its thing. Peep Nvidia to see order flow. That shit going down today. I don't really trade stocks like that. Trades by SCI. I don't even know who that is. How can I join F1? Link is in the bio. If you can't get to the link in the bio, message me on TikTok and I will send you the link. Took 15-minute PSP to weekly open. Just perfect, just private Discord. Let's go. W. Cupertino. Do you think ES will go to new week opening gap? I've been saying that since the beginning of stream, guys. I literally have been saying, look at how gold went straight to our level and fell. Holy. Right to our level and fell off a cliff, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. That's crazy. Look at that. Top tick. Bang. Oh my gosh, chat. Look at this. We could have top tick gold today. Look at that. We could have top tick gold off of our level. But I had such a good day off of yesterday that I wasn't going to trade gold today. But that was an easy top tick. Look at that 1 hour pivot too on gold. Easy top tick right back down to the fair value lows. Beautiful, beautiful. Yo, chat is just getting weirder and weirder as the session goes on, bro. I'm going to keep it a stack. Chat is getting weirder and weirder as the session goes on. Just because I know what price is doing. Look at that. Engulfing right back through the low. We like weird. Where would you enter NQ cells? You see it right on the screen. Oh. Still holding one micro W, Zaria. Diamond hands. That's my lady boss right there. Come on now, chat. How many figures you would make a mound? Confused. Practice? Yes, this is just to confirm the narrative that obviously, bro, I could have took the trade on my Express account, but I told you guys I'm not gonna battle it. I got my 200. I'm good on the day. I like to be content. I like to make trading as stressful. I mean, as less stressful, the least amount of stress as possible. That kind of sounded crazy. But yes, you want to make it as least stressful as possible. Some days are better than others. You got to be content with the $200 days, because that's what makes yesterday's $800 day so good. Is because, do you stream in the F1 group? Yes, I stream to the trade room. That's what makes yesterday's price action so like worth it so much, because some days we'll get 200, some days we'll make 500, some days we'll make 1,000, some days we'll make big bread. You know what I'm saying? But you got to appreciate the small days too. You know what I mean? Because that's what makes the big days a lot more better. But yeah, chat. What are y'all's plans for New Year's? What are y'all's plans for New Year's, chat? What are y'all doing? My entry was at 25,580. Working. We have so much fireworks, like over 30 pounds. Dang. Can I hold cells? I just told you guys I want to see these lows get taken again. So me personally, yes. Go to the restaurant with a family. Let's go. Get some good dinner. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Big dinner vibes. Big dinner vibes. Thank you for the follows, guys. Guys, we're less than 1,000 followers away from 10K. Can we push to 10K, chat? Hit that follow button if you're new here. Go to church and attend New Year's Mass. W's. What's your plans? I'm going to see my mom's side of the family, so I got to drive up to like North Florida. Is this an A plus setup? No, this is like a B plus setup. This is like a B plus to B minus setup. You're taking trades when we're 15 minutes away from lunch. Price is not lining up with time to the fullest degree, so that's why it's a B minus. I messed with the whiteboard in the back. Appreciate that, fam. That fair value gap makes it a B minus? No. It's the fact that we're getting closer to lunch. And so I want to see price expand before London closure. It's going to take the highs first, no? That's why it's a B minus. Because it can go take the 15-minute high. But ideally, I say the sweep of these the sweep of the low of the day again is where I would target. That's just me. I would still be targeting lows. Yes, floor. Yes, to answer your question, it does lock you in. So whatever membership you get, it will lock you in at that price. Whether 3 months, 6 months, month to month, it will lock you in at that price. Okay? Okay, thanks. No problem. Did you take profits on the first trade? Yes. Look, I'm not in any trade. I'm out. I just showed this to you guys for educational purposes. I said we could keep going lower for educational purposes. 5-minute took the candle with no wick to the opening, and now we should see price go lower. This is engineered equal lows as well, right here. So we should see these lows get smashed. Stop loss above the previous 5-minute high. 580. Previous 5-minute high. 20 points. And then once we break back to below here, the only thing you got to understand is the fact that the high is the open of here. So there's no wick to the opening of this 5-minute candle. So if we do come back up here, it's going to want to test in this area for that imbalance. And then it's going to want to drop again if we are bearish. If we're bullish, it'll come back up and take out this equal high right here. But I think for the lunch close or lunch opening, London close, we get a take below these lows again. And then obviously once you get to these lows, you would just move stop to break even. Be risk free in the trade. Like I said though, this is a B minus trade. He said this is Fidelity or MT4. This man did not just say that. Bro, this is Top Step. Don't you need 70 cents for your Green Day? No. I don't care about Green Days. And I'm pretty sure it's only 150. Trading View? No, this is Project X on Top Step. This is gold? No, this is NQ. Let me see chat. What's the link for the Discord, Dylan? Dylan, it's going to be the link in my bio. Do you have a Discord? Yes, I have Discord. Discord link is in my bio. Let me see if I can get you guys the link from chat. You said it's Top Step? Yes, Top Step. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Thank you. Yo, homie, I just want to say that GC trade yesterday was actually insane. If I would have used 10 cons, would have been at 4K. Wesley, what did I say, bro? And then I pointed out the fact that if we didn't get the liquidity taken from yesterday, that we were going to go into Asian session, give a retracement, and dump into going into London. And look at what we did, bro. Exactly to the T. Asian session opened up, retraced some of the move from the daily, and then literally sold off. How is ES1 doing? Bro, it's falling off a cliff. Look at that. We would have been up another bag, bro. Another bag again. Look, ES is gonna just fall off the cliff to the 6,913 level because that's where the daily low is at. The gift that keeps on giving, bro. And it did exactly that. Exactly, Wesley. Bro, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. You gotta know a thing or two. You gotta know a thing or two. We just in alignment with price, bro. That's it. What do you think about the meme coins? Don't care for them. What did you enter? Why did you enter? Why did I enter? We had a 5 minute no wick to the opening, which caused an imbalance. We inversed this fair value gap, making people think that we were going to buy off this low now. So I think smart money will use the buyers being FOMO'd into the market off of price looking so bullish to take the lows again one more time. Y'all got crazy game, not gonna lie. Both you and my mentor are the only two people I trust. W's. I had to come back and show love. W Wesley, baby. W my dog Wesley. That's a W man's, bro. I appreciate that. That boy sending the chili, boy, because we hot. We hot, chat. We hot with it. Let's go. Guys, make sure there's 39. No, 39. Holy moly. We're at 39 members left, chat. 39 members getting in at this price. 39 members getting in at this price. No more after this, chat. We will be increasing the price like immediately. I will take it off the screen. And I will take the payment system off the I won't care. I will do a whole revamp. So make sure. Make sure, chat. Make sure. Lock it in. These options are currencies. This is futures. So this is indexes. NQ Nasdaq is an index. Nate, why are you spamming? It's all good. It's all good, bro. They want to get their questions answered. It's fine. It's fine. Sometimes I just don't see them, bro. My fault. I be looking at 25 different things. My fault, twin. It's GC and divergence with NQ. I would not compare the two. I'm in the same trade right now. I'm in longs, bro. Oh, snap. He's in longs. Guys, you better watch out. He's in longs. You better watch out. If 15-minute fair value gap gets inverse on ES, do you agree there might be a long retracement? I wouldn't look for any longs today. Even if it does go up, I wouldn't be looking for longs. That's just me, though. He said I'm in a long right now. I could be wrong, chat. That's why I'm not chasing. That's why I locked out. Because I knew the high probability was just to the London lows. Anything outside of that becomes lower probability to balance out the price range. Okay, now that we take that 5-minute gap, remember I told you there's no wick to the open of both of these 5-minute candles right here. So this is an imbalance in price. You're going to want to see what price does in and around this area. All right. I'm not taking this trade, chat. I'm not taking this trade. Do you see my P&L moving? No, I'm not taking this trade. This is for educational purposes only. You see I'm locked out? Chat, I can't be in a trade if I'm locked out. So when there is no wicks, what can we get from that or look for? It's just an imbalance in price. If price fails to create a higher low off of a candle, it means the opening or the closure is at the high or the low, depending on which scenario you're in. In that scenario, obviously, price will always look to seek what? Some form of balance. Price always has to stay within balance, okay? So, with that being said, if you have an imbalance from a candle opening, price will always look to fulfill that imbalance so that it could balance out the price sheets, the balance sheets, to continue their hedge. Okay, so they can continue their hedge. Thanks, bro, for being my liquidity. I'm not in any trade, so I'm not anyone's liquidity, in fact. But yeah, no problem. He said bid and buys for 20 minutes. That's cute. Do you use server step? What is server step? I don't even know what that is. Thoughts on gold? I think gold's going to keep going lower. How much time the whole process take? What do you mean the whole process? Made 3.2 from paper trading today. Yeah, my simulation liquidity. Appreciate it. No problem. Took longs after London lows were swept. Solid. I told you these lows are not sufficient though. So none of these lows that are being created for bullish price action to have any form of this volume are sufficient. None of them are protected. So I hope you guys are securing your partials and taking what you need to as you're going up in these small little 50-point runs. Because none of this price is protected. It's all insufficient. So it could literally retrace the whole thing in one candle. It could, one 5-minute candle could take all this price. Why does bro got so much haters? I don't know. Who or from where did you learn how to trade, bro? ICT, Inner Circle Trader, YouTube. It's going to sweep the highs from first, surely. Oh, it's going to sweep the highs first, surely, he said. It could. It could. That's why I'm done for the day, chat. I told you guys I'm going to be done at noon, too, so I need to be in the gym today. I was not able to go to the gym yesterday because of my clothes not getting washed. My washer messed up. And sometimes when I close the lid, the sensor doesn't, I don't know what it is. The sensor doesn't like register. So like it'll fill up the whole washer machine and then it'll like act like it's done. So I got to like open the lid, close it, and then it registers to start it again. Freaking some goober shit. But today I'm in the gym for sure. I'm pretty sure there's no wick to the opening of this 5-minute candle. Yep. No, wait, there is. The low came in at 1 tick. So yeah. I still don't see any of this price as sufficient. That's just me though. But yeah, chat. It might come back to fill the BPR of the range today, which is going to be 25,635. I just don't like any of this price here. That's just me. What's good, Cody? Shout out to my dog Cody in the chat, man. What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? That's my boy. Yo, chat. Everyone say what's good to Cody, man. Everyone say what's good, Cody. WSG, Cody. Everyone say what's good. Long time for real. For real, it's been a minute. It's been a minute, fam. You've been liquidity, always interactors to sweep. Bro, we're up 200 today across 5. I'm chilling, bro. Y'all are trolls, bro. Y'all are really trolls, bro. Y'all love to see me lose, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, they wait to see me lose just so they can like say something crazy like, "Oh, you're my liquidity." It's been a minute. Yo, Cody, I'm in Ocala, bro. Let me know what's good, fam. Let me know what's good. I'm in Ocala seeing some of the fam and stuff, so let me know. Maybe we could link up or something. Best prop firm for beginners. Top Step. All right, chat. 12 o'clock is imminent. This is why you don't chase. Because look, I would have gotten smacked right there. You see that? I would have gotten smacked right there. There's just, for sure, I've been in Claremont for about a year now. But headed back tonight. That's what's up. Bet. Yeah, I'm just here visiting the fam and stuff, so maybe I might have to come out there to Claremont. Yes, sir. Strong reversal 25,653. No. Top Step got a new payout rule. Don't care. It doesn't matter if it doesn't matter if you're profitable. It doesn't matter. Appreciate the follows, guys. Guys, we are literally less than 1,000 followers away from 10K. That junk is crazy. Chat, talk to me. Take profit for the win. Only thing I don't like about take profit is this intraday drawdown. I'm a swing trader, so I like to capitalize on the entire intraday move, which means See, here's the trolls, bro. I'm unfollowing. I'm unfollowing. Man, go sit in the corner, bro. Don't make me take my belt off. You know what I'm saying? You don't want none of this. You don't want none of this belt. Hey, what's good with the boy Ben, man? Shout out that boy Ben in the chat. When you're done stream, check DM. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you, fam. Shout out that boy Ben in the chat. Hit that boy with a follow. He's a GOAT. Want to collab with you? Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Let's do it. I definitely want to collab with you, bro. Let's do it. Check DM for mine too. Oh my gosh. Listen, guys. Listen. Hey, Devin. Now, see, this is when you get muted, bro. Yeah, this is when you get muted immediately. Devin, don't ever disrespect my boy Ben again like that. Don't ever disrespect my boy Ben like that, okay? You know what we do when people like you get disrespected? You get sent to the corner, okay? You get sent to the corner. All right? It's okay? No. He gets to go to the corner and he gets that belt. We don't ever. Okay. All right, let that be a warning, chat. Let that be a warning. No Ben slander in Flip's chat. No Ben slander in Flip's chat. You get the belt. Yes, sir. Sorry, Daddy Flip. All right, my bad, Devin. Nah, the belt is wild. You feel me? Sometimes you just gotta put them in order, man. Sometimes you gotta discipline. Discipline is good. What city you live in? I'm in Miami. I'm in Miami. I'm in South Florida. What time you going live? Yeah, facts, Ben. When are you going live? I want to watch. 110. Let's go. Chat, you know I'm gonna be on. You can see me. Hey, chat, be ready. Good thing I'm closing the live here soon. I'm gonna be on Ben's stream, chat. TikTok is for Bible study now? Yes. We need to lead them to the light. Yo, I definitely want to collab with you on a Bible study. Let's do it. If that's not part of it too, I definitely wanted to collab with you on a Bible study. I think that is huge. The belt is bringing back my childhood memories. Oh, no. Oh, no. My bad, bro. I didn't want to bring back any trauma, fam. My fault. Happy New Year from the PH. Hey, Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year. Love. That's love. Yo, chat. We really got a goat in the building. Let that be known. We really got a goat in the building. All good? Yes, sir. Nah, chat. So another W day. No, nothing too crazy, bro. Very minimal risk. Very. Everything was explained since the beginning of sesh. We literally took our time. Everything was good. Solid day. Honestly, this probably is gonna be our last trade of the year. Obviously, tomorrow's the new year. So yeah, last trade of the year, banger trade. Yesterday we took gold shorts all the way to the low. Like, we did our thing, chat. Last 2 days have been very successful, even through the rocky price action. I think we handled everything beautiful. Yeah, 2026 is about to be serious. This is just like the waiting room. Imagine like you're in a doctor's office and you're just like you're just reading the magazines like in the waiting room, waiting to get seen. That's us. We're in the 2026 waiting room, pregame lobby. All right. We're like, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. You ain't nothing, bro. You don't got no KD like me, bro. You don't got that win weight like me, bro. See me in a 1v1. No, I'm just trolling. I'm not in competition with nobody, guys. Last trade of the year is insane on my TikTok. Have a good time, guys. Yes. This is that New Year's Eve blessing. Thank you, Jesus, for another day, man. What an amazing day, bro. Another fresh breath of air, chat. We love to see it. Bro. With that being said, though, I kind of want to, like, get ready to watch Ben stream, chat. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of getting ready to watch Ben stream because, you know, Ben be cashing out. So whenever I'm watching Ben stream, all I can hear is, yes, sir. Come on. All right, my bad. W Cheeser? Gina, Gina. Yo, um, I'm still waiting for the 2008 candle to hit. Oh my gosh, we get that outro music today. Yes, we are getting that outro music today. I'm gonna go ahead and send us off with a quick prayer, of course. And we're gonna call it a stream, chat. W, first off, I want to say the amount of growth in these last 31 days has been monumental, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stack, chat. I am beyond grateful for everyone who has been here for this 30 for 30. Thank you everyone for tuning in, bro. Thank you everyone for supporting. Thank you everyone who's been active, engaged, whether it's been double taps, whether it's been gifts, anything, whether it's been just watch time and you're just lurking in the chat, bro. I appreciate every one of you guys, bro. Without you guys, it honestly wouldn't have been this fun. It wouldn't have been this monumental to me. But like I'm gonna be honest, chat. We put in over 120 hours this year, this month alone, just in on stream. That's not what I had to do in the background to prepare for class, getting stuff put together for you guys. That's not doing case studies for you guys. That's not doing the one-on-ones that I had to do as well with our private members. And so I appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming to you guys could be on anyone's stream, you guys could be watching anybody, but you guys come here faithfully every morning at 9 a.m. to come and trade with me. And so I just want to show my gratitude and show my appreciation for every one of you guys. And I love you guys, and I'm excited to be a part of your journey. I'm excited to be to see you guys grow. I'm even more excited to soon put face to names and see you guys in person. I got a lot of things planned for this next year, and I'm just beyond grateful, bro. I'm above all things, bro. I'm truly am grateful, and I truly am blessed, and I never want to take for granted anything that God has done and is continuing to do it in my life and in your guys' life. Okay. We started out with like 4,000 followers, give or take, at the beginning of this month. We've exceedingly crushed my numbers. We've hit over 500,000 views on our stream this month. We've hit over 500,000 likes on the stream since the beginning of this month. I mean, the numbers of my statistics on my back office it blows my mind, chat, because it is only God. There's nothing that I have done differently. It is only God. So I just want to outline and give all glory to Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, because without him, none of this would have happened. None of this would be possible. And I just want to show my gratitude and say how grateful and thankful I am. All right. For all the people who took a chance on our private Discord, I appreciate each and last one of you for trusting and believing into, the vision of what I have, not only for the community that we're building, but also for the vision that we're creating as a whole, as a community in general, aligned with God. So I thank you guys. I appreciate everything. And I'm extremely excited for the future. Okay. I just need to show you guys the gratitude that you guys deserve, because we have grown very, very quickly, very, very fast. And like I said, I'm truly, truly blessed and thankful. All right. I'm gonna send us off with a quick prayer. Make sure you guys are posting your green days into the Discord. I want to see everyone's profit that they made today. I want to see all the blessings. By the way, guys, we did not come up and take the 15-minute high. We are still rolling over, but I want to see everyone's green days. If you guys got any questions, concerns, I will open up the floor at the end. But I'm gonna go ahead and send us off with a prayer. We'll do our outro. We'll call it a day. All right, chat. Let's get it. Dear Heavenly Father, let me go ahead and take the chart off the screen, because none of this matters anymore. It's all about my Father. Dear Heavenly Father, I thank you for another amazing day today. Father God, I come to you in the name of Jesus, and I ask for you to open up each and every individual's eyes, to touch their hearts and move on them as they step into this new year, Father God. I ask that you continue to reveal yourself to them in ways that they've never imagined, that they've never been able to fathom. Father God, it is only because of you and in you that we are continuing to do this thing called life. Wake up and walk in your glory, walk out your designed purpose, and you continue to ordain our steps. Father God, continue to open up the doors of opportunity in this year for blessing, abundance, peace, love, and just an overflow of your presence. Father God, continue to keep everyone safe. Continue to send your angels as a hedge of protection over each and every one of these people's lives. Continue to impact and show just how great your glory is. Father God, continue to reveal the hidden secrets into the hearts of the individuals that seek the depths of your heart, Father God. Father God, continue to pour out your abundance in each and every one of their lives, their kids' lives. And Father God, continue to bless and spare grace upon each and every person, for I know that we fall short. Father God, I know I fall short of your glory each and every day, but I'm saved by the blood of Yeshua, and I'm saved by your grace, and I'm thankful. Father God, forgive me, for I know that I fall short. Father God, forgive me, for I know that I'm not perfect, but I, in you, Father God, is the only reason why I'm still here. In Jesus' mighty name, continue to ordain my steps, continue to go before me and pave the way. Thank you, God, for everything that you have done and continue to do. I'm thankful, I'm blessed, and I love you, Father God. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Amen. Let's go, chat. What an amazing way to close the year, chat. What an amazing way to close the year. What an amazing way to start the new year. Wow. It truly is a blessing. It truly is a blessing. I don't take these moments for granted at all, chat. I don't take these moments for granted at all, chat. So I thank you. Wow, best trader, my brother in Christ. Yes, sir, Chris. If you've been here since the beginning of the let me just do a video real quick. Chat, I want to do something, all right? I want to do something. I kind of want to just outline this for the end of the stream just to see what we're doing, okay? If you've been here since the beginning of the 30 days, and I know there's a lot of people that are not in chat, but if you've been in here since the beginning of the 30 days, and if you've made money, if you've passed any accounts, if you've learned something, if you could put a 1 in the chat, if you can put F1 in the chat, okay, drop F1s in the chat if you've been here since the beginning of the 30 days, you've learned something and or made money. I want to see it. Let's go, chat. Spam it up. Spam it up. Let me see. Made money, learned something during these 31 days, or just love the community. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, chat. Bless up, brother. You to go. F1, F1, F1. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Just passed my eval. Let's go. Let's go. 21K likes. Let's go, man. W's. Happy New Year. That's awesome. I love to see that we're actually, continuing to make an impact. We are having fun every step of the way, bro. I love doing this every single day. It doesn't matter. I love doing this. This is my passion. This is my purpose. And I'm going to continue to walk out what I know God has ordained in my life. And I'm happy to have every last one of you in this, a part of this journey. Let's go ahead and play our outro and call it a day, chat. Happy New Year's Eve to each and every one of you guys. I'm sending us off with a new with a different outro. Okay, this used to be my old outro song from Zoe 101, because we're one of one. All right. Chat. W 31 for 31. Do I look good today? Yeah. Chat. W 31 for 31. I think we kicked the door down to let them know how we're moving this next year. We didn't just open the door of opportunity. We kicked the door down and let them know F1's here, baby. I love you guys. Believe in yourself. Trust in God. God loves you guys no matter where you're at in life, no matter how bad, no matter how dark the tunnel is right now. Continue to seek the light. Continue to seek Jesus Christ. He's the answer to everything. Okay? I love you guys. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys in 2026, baby. Until then, F1 out, baby.